Are these equal? Count the pictures in each set and write the number. Read the question and circle yes or no. Count the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This set has 8 buttons. Let's count the other set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This set also has 8 buttons. Are these buttons equal? Yes. Count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balloons in this set. We will count the other set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balloons in this set. Are these balloons equal? No. We will count the first set. 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas in this set. Let's count the pictures in the other set. 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas in this set too. Are these bananas equal? Yes.